Thinking about Airbnb or vacation rental investing near Disney? Orlando is one of the hottest short-term rental markets in the US. And today I will show you the top neighborhoods where only the smart investors are buying. Disney. Orlando attracts over 70 million visitors every year, not just for the parks, but for conventions and sports. Unlike other cities, these resort neighborhoods were built for vacation rentals, pools, water parks, clubhouses, and short-term rental-friendly communities. That means a strong occupancy and a steady demand all year round. First is Reunion Resort in Kissimmee, just 7 to 10 miles from Disney. It's a luxury at a scale 6 to 12 bedrooms villas, 3 golf courses, and an on-site water park. Families and groups pay a premium rate here, but investors love Reunion Resort community for its high average daily rate and multi-family appeal property deals. Next is ChampionsGate and Windsor Hills. ChampionsGate offers a huge DM homes with a lazy river and sports facilities. Windsor Hills is legendary. It's only 2 miles away from Disney, and both of these communities are family magnets and have strong occupancy and repeat bookings. Then we have Storey Lake, Solara, and Solterra neighborhoods. These are the answers. Instagram-ready resorts. Think surf simulators, splash parks, and a beautiful new modern constructions. These homes are big, the amenities sell by themselves, and the photos convert fast online. Perfect for today's traveler looking for a wow factor. What about Universal Studios? Inside Orlando city limits, short-term rules are tight. Usually owner-occupy only and one guest at a time. That's why investors focus more on the south near Disney, where the HOA communities and zoning are much more rental friendly. Always check on the community HOA rules and the county rules before you buy. If you are serious about investing, here is my offer. I will run the numbers and get you the financials on any property that you're interested in. Plus, I will send you a free hot list of available homes on these top neighborhoods: Reunion, ChampionsGate, Windsor Hills, Storey Lakes, Solara, and more. Just comment or text me the word Disney STR and I will be in touch today.